Good morning, class. Hope you all are fine. In previous class, I have explained you about the plastics. Alright, so in this class, we are going to see about the properties and characteristics of plastics. Let's start with the properties. Properties particularly depend upon the material used for its synthesis. Alright, which material is used as a raw material? First of all, plastics are weather resistant. Means most of the plastics are waterproof and does not affect by weather. And these are non-biodegradable. Most of the plastics are chemical resistant. That means we can even keep the chemicals in the plastic bottles like strong acids, alkalis. Alright, we can keep them in plastic bottles. A particular special type of plastic is used for this purpose. Next one is toughness. Plastic is tough and can stand with high pressure. These plastic are maybe stretchable. Alright, and even they are soft. Next property is we can mold plastic in any shape. So we can say plastic are easy to mold. Next is coloring. Plastics are available in different of colors. As we have seen, fibers, especially natural fibers, are obtained in black, white and brown shades. But plastics are available in different of colors. Alright. Next one is about the light. Plastic can be transparent, translucent, or it may be opaque. Transparent means in which the light can pass. Translucent in which light doesn't pass. Alright. Next one is insulation. Insulation means they does not have the capability to conduct the heat or electricity. Hence, these are used as insulators. Next one is inflammable. These plastics catch fire easily, especially the thermoplastics. Alright, these are inflammable. That means they does not show any kind of flame while they catch fire. Plastics even are used in paints. Alright, these are used in paints with diluted water. When they dry, they get a scratch-proof coating on the wall. Next, a special kind of fiber is made up from plastic. Alright, like doctor use a syringe which is made up of polyvinylidene chloride. Let's see disadvantages, or we can say the problem that is associated with the plastic. As we all know, plastic are poor absorber of moisture. Hence, we does not prefer fabric which is made up of plastic. Alright. Plastic can melt on heating. So while cooking, it is very risky to wear plastic clothes, or we can say synthetic fiber clothes, as they catch fire easily and sticks on our skin. Alright, and plastic emits fall small when they burn. Even they can produce poisonous fumes. Plastic is non-biodegradable, hence is a major pollutant. Alright, plastics are not good for storing edible materials. Alright, we generally kept liquid food in PET bottles. But these are not good for longer storage. Next one is, as we know, plastic is non-biodegradable, so it is harmful for our animal and plants. Plastic sheets can prevent soil from the percolation of rainwater. Next one is, people throw food left over in plastic carry bags, which is very harmful for the cattle as they swallow these carry bags along the food and their canal get shocked due to this. Next is most of the people throw plastics at the side of the roads, due to which it is also threat for the aquatic life. And if they get into the drains, drains get shocked. Alright, so we have to reduce plastic. How can we reduce plastic? Alright, what are the measures to reduce pollutions which is caused due to the plastic? Let's see. So basically there are three ways by which we can reduce pollution which is caused due to the plastic. The first one is reduce, second one is recycle, and the third one is reuse. What is reduce? Reduce means reduce the use of plastic, or we can say refuse the use of plastic. Alright, we can carry bag which is made up of cloth, paper, jute, etc. instead of plastic. And of course recycle is another good way to preserve, or we can say to reduce the use of plastic. Alright, next one is reuse the plastic bags. We can clean them, dry them, and again use instead of throwing these carry bags. Alright, so these are some measures which we have to do to reduce the pollution from plastics. Alright, do you have any doubt, class? Okay, so these are some terms which we have learned in this chapter, that is plastic, monomer, polymer, polymerization, thermoset, thermoplastic, and tensile strength. Alright, this is your homework. Which of these thermoplastic in nature? To make a pen non-stick, we should get it coated with polywood fiber is dash. The plastic that cannot be molten or molded on giving it a shape. Raw material for rayon comes from dash. This matching. This is true false. And last one is give one word answers for the following question.